Hello, I'm Ravin Siranaka, and in this video we are going to discuss question set 30, discussing how to use concat, upper, lower, average, and char length with inner join. So let's get into it. On to the first question. Find the number of letters in the full name of all students in grade 11. So you have to start with select then we write a char length to find the character length of a string. So to get the full name, we have to combine first name and last name. To combine it, we use concat, and then we write what columns we are going to concat. So first name and the last name columns are going to be concat. To gain the character length of the full name. So from student, and there you go. This is the query for the first question. Let's go ahead and execute it. And there you go. The character length of full names of all of the students in grade 11 are presented here. And on to the second question. Single language and literature. Find the number of letters in this word. So to do it, all we have to do is select character length, and then we write the string, which is Sinhala language and literature, and the answer is 29. So keep in mind that space is also considered a character. So including the spaces, the character length of this single language and literature is 29. And on to the third question. Find the number of letters in the full name of all students in grade 11 A class. So like in the previous like in the first question, we have to concat first name and last name, and then we have to write the condition that we get the students from grade 11A. Last name from student inner join class on class id equals student dot class id, where class name equals 11A. And there you go. This is the query for the third question. Let's go ahead and get the result by executing the query. And there you go. The character length of the full name of students in grade 11A is presented here. And on to the fourth question. Prepare the first name of all students of all grade 11B students in capital letters. So to do that, select, we write upper, first name, and then we write upper, last name from student, inner join class on class dot class id student dot class id, where then we write the condition that class name equals to 11b, and let's go ahead and execute the query. And there you go, both the first name and the last name, which is the full name of grade 11b, is in capital letters. And on to the fifth question, prepare the names of students in simple prepare the names of subjects in simple letters. So all you have to do is change this to subject, and here we write subject name, and instead of lower we use instead of upper we use lower. And there you go, and this is the query for the fifth question. Let's go ahead and execute the query to see the results. And there you go, all of the subject names are in simple letters. And on to the sixth and last question, find the average of the marks obtained by Amanda Moses, student in class 11A in all the term examination in the subject of science. So starting with select average mark from student exam mark record, inner joining it with student on student dot index number equals student exam mark record dot student index number, inner joining those tables is the table class table on class dot class id student dot class id, and then we inner join subject table as well on subject dot subject id student exam mark record dot subject id, and then we write the conditions where class name is 11A and student first name is Amanda and last name is Moses, and subject name is science. And there you go, this is the query for the sixth question. Let's go ahead and execute the query. Right, here the class name is unnecessary because you already have Amanda Moses names here, because Amanda Moses is in class 11a, and let's go ahead and execute the query to see the result. There you go, the average mark obtained by Amanda Moses in the subject of science is 80 out of all of the examinations. And that's it for answering the questions at 30, and let's meet again in the next video of answering the questions at 31. Thank you for watching.